Registered the 11th of June 2022 on a 22 plate with 21,876 miles. This KTM 890 Adventure R benefits from full service history including the 18,000-mile major service, and a wealth of tasteful extras and upgrades including the KTM Tech Pack, which includes the following: Rally Pack, Quick Shifter Plus, Cruise Control and Motor Slip Regulation. This bike has also been fitted with Rally Seat, plus 20mm seat height, Factory Racing Foot Peg, larger area, Heated Grip Kit, controlled via Quick Selector up and down arrows on left switch cube, Handguard Kit made by Barkbusters with alley backbone, Headlight Protection, Radiator Protection Grille, Air Filter Kit and Air Filter Sand Protection. These combined stop any dust getting to the paper filter, GPS Bracket and Skid Plate. These items total £1,407.42. This superb example has just been fully serviced by KTM, including a new chain and sprocket kit and a new pair of tyres. It would leave us with a 12-month MOT and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.